welcome back to Super at 60. I'm so excited today. Look at all the balloons. There's something special going on here at Super at 60. Congrats, what could that possibly mean? Hey, you guys just helped me get to 10,000 subscribers. I don't even know how to thank you enough. You join in each time I put a video out and you leave the sweetest, most wonderful comments. And my channel has grown and grown just even over the last 7 months. It has just exploded. And I am just so grateful for each and every one of you. I truly consider you my friends. And many of you have told me that you consider me a friend as well every time you tune in. And that means a lot to me. It means a lot to my heart. And I hope that you will always, always feel that way. Today, I just want to kind of take you down memory lane a little bit over the last 2 years, basically, for when I first started. Oh my goodness, there's been so many hellos and so many goodbyes. Let's take a trip down that road right now. Darlene, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to Super at 60. Good morning. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Super at 60. I am so excited you're here in my kitchen today. Good morning, everyone. Hi, it's Darlene from Super at 60. I am so excited you're here today. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Super at 60. Welcome in. Hi, I'm Darlene. Welcome to Super at 60. Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super at 60. Good morning, everyone. I am so happy to see you. Hi, I'm Darlene. This is Super at 60. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Welcome to my home, and welcome to my kitchen. Good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Darlene, and this is Super at 60. Hi, good morning. I'm Darlene, and this is Super at 60. I'm so happy to have you here today. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Welcome to my home, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so happy to have you all here today. Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Welcome to my home, and welcome to my kitchen. At the moment, all my cookies are out. Well, not all of them. I still have more to make. But there's nothing in the oven right now, so I don't have to worry too much. I have a few baking/cooking quick tips for you. Cooking quick tips. Ooh, that's hard to say. Cooking quick tips. Thank you all again so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye now. Lord bless. So thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today, and I will see every single one of you out there very, very soon. I promise. Bye now. I am Darlene. Merry Christmas, and I will see you real soon. Bye now. Lord bless. Thank you so much. Bye now. Lord bless. For right now, I'm going to say to you, bye now. Lord bless, and I will see you in the next video coming real soon. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye now. Lord bless. So thank you again. This is Super at 60. I'm Darlene, and I am unashamed. Well, wasn't that fun? I had such a good time. Oh my goodness, so many hellos, so many goodbyes, so many different ways. I think I finally got it down though. Yeah, I like what I'm doing now. I want to thank you all again so very much for joining me each and every time I upload a video. You're always there and you leave the sweetest comments. Thank you so very much. And one quick, very, very special thank you is to my husband, my dear husband, Lou, who is not only the guy behind me saying, do it, do it, do it, you're doing great, but he's also the guy, you know what? He's my editor. He is my editor. He edits every single one of my videos. We sit together. I say, do this, do that, do this, do that. I want this here. I want this there. Use this music here. And he just pushes all the buttons. I don't know anything about it. Yeah, so there's my dirty laundry. I don't know anything about it, but he does. That's what he does. And I'm so proud of him. And Lou, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my dear, dear Lou. If it weren't for you, you guys wouldn't be getting any videos. So yeah, we can all say, thank you, Lou. Thank you so much. Well, you know, there's a piece of scripture that I absolutely love and that has really forged me on into doing this. And it is simply, in everything you do, in all that you do it all for the glory of God. Thank you again. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye now. And Lord bless.